enable our tube furnaces to work with different atmospheres. Let's start with the simplest, air. To work within air atmosphere, a regular length work tube and Type C insulation plugs are required. These are installed in the tube furnace as shown here. The purpose of the end plugs is to prevent heat losses from the ends of the work tube. For use in inert atmospheres, Carbolite Gero offers a work tube package consisting of an extended work tube, a pair of end seals, a pair of insulation plugs, and a probe thermocouple. Extended work tubes require an additional tube support assembly, which is easily fitted. The first parts of the end seals are attached to the work tube and can permanently remain in place. The sample to be heat treated is inserted into the work tube, followed by the insulation plugs. The end plugs consist of thermally efficient insulation materials and are required for 3 reasons. 1. To prevent heat loss. 2. To improve the temperature uniformity inside the work tube. And 3. To protect the end seals from very high temperatures inside the work tube. The end seal plate is fitted and clamped in place to provide a gas-tight assembly. The remainder of the work tube support assembly is fitted. The gas supply can now be connected. The maximum pressure for the gas supply must be regulated to 200 millibars, and a flow meter is used to set the gas flow rate. The inert gas enters the work tube and displaces the air, and in particular the unwanted oxygen. This purging sequence should take place below the reaction temperature. A combination of flow rate and purge time reduces the oxygen levels to extremely low values, such as 10 parts per million. Depending on the gas being used, a fume extraction hood installed above the furnace may be required, or the outlet could be connected to a pipe to take the exhaust gases to a safe location. For tube furnaces working with vacuum pressure, Carbolite Gero offers a work tube package including radiation shields and end seals with an NW or KF vacuum flange to which a vacuum pump can be attached. In this case, radiation shields are used to maintain temperature uniformity and reduce the heat losses instead of insulation end plugs, which would contain trapped air in the porous insulation materials. For applications involving hydrogen, Carbolite Gero offers an additional gas safety system which can be attached to the tube furnace to safely control the gas flow. The gas safety system ensures nitrogen purge and only allows the hydrogen to flow when the furnace temperature is above its auto-ignition temperature. An afterburner ensures that unburned hydrogen is combust as it exits the work tube assembly. In addition to work tube packages, Carbolite Gero offers further components to optimize the use of the furnace. Together with suitable temperature controllers, solenoid valves that control the flow of gas can be fitted. The valves can open or close the gas flow at preset temperatures. In this example, the gas is allowed to flow above a defined temperature. The temperature controller activates the solenoid valve above the defined temperature and closes it below the defined temperature. It is also possible to fit several solenoid valves and flow meters to regulate the flow of several gases. This makes it possible to realize complex atmosphere process control. In this example, two gases are switched on and off during defined segments of a temperature program. Carbolite Gero offers a wide range of high-quality temperature controllers to meet customers' specific requirements that include sophisticated temperature programs with integrated data logging and a range of gas components for various atmosphere control. Please contact